Hello, Mr Belcher here, Sports Sub-Director at the Tapscott Learning Trust. Today we're at North Beckton Primary School and we're going to be focusing on skipping. Untangle your rope, like this. Okay. It's just up and down like this.
With the rope pulled tight and underneath your toes, start to jump up and down. Encourage the children to keep the rope tight. This will help their jumping.
Try to put the rope underneath your toes. So move away from the wall. Yeah, just keep yourself a bit good. But try and put it underneath your toes this time. And then you put it tight. And then just need to now just let it land on your toes. And land on your toes. Keep your rope tight.
Encourage the children to have the rope under their toes so they can spring back up as they land. Staying on our toes, can we start to move around? Can we vary the way we jump? Side to side, up and down, forwards and backwards.
Using your rope as a guide, forward and backwards over the rope.
Using the rope as a guide, can you jump forwards and backwards over the rope?
Stand up. Think about how you land, okay? So we're going to take off from our knees there, and to take off, I'm going to land on my toes with my knees bent, and then I'm going to swing back, and I'm going to jump back, okay? Doesn't have to be too fast. Hands out up a bit, with our hand and arms out of our balance.
Practice taking off and landing with control. Soft knees, land on your toes. As you can see, the children already have better control of their jumping.
And you can do, when you jump and land once, and then you get to just land. Or I can go, well, I'm going to land and then another jump. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Well, I'll just do one.
An alternative to bouncing straight back over the rope is to jump twice before bouncing back over. Some children may find this easier. Now we can start to experiment with our jumping. Let's try side to side. Can we now travel up and down the rope?
Okay.
Encourage the children to be creative with their jumping. Squats, side to sides, turns, or a combination. I am demonstrating the scissor jump to some, while the boy at the back is showing quick feet. You can even add a turn. That completes lesson 1. In lesson 2, we will start to look at how to turn the rope and jump over the rope.